trade here in the morning where we had this fake out to the downside, and a low with a trade opportunity roughly around, what is that, 10 o'clock, roughly around 10 o'clock, followed by this like move to the upside to a high, creating that scalp opportunity. It looks like we probably had a few people that benefited from that. I'll do a shout out to Conrad and Wenesso for their Rule of Karma donations. You guys are so awesome. They're regularly making money and donating, guys. Really, they help to benefit the channel like a lot. So you guys are awesome. Just doing a quick shout out to you. I was off about opening lower though. Man, was I off? That was a huge move to the upside. We sort of, yeah, it was a gap up. I thought we were probably going to open about the same and then see a move higher after, but rather than opening about the same and then moving higher, we just opened higher. Hey, Conrad. Appreciate it. I'm just going to screenshot that comment real quick to add to the website. So here on the 2nd, hey April E, welcome. Hey Debraze. Yeah, I was off about that, huh? My apologies, man. I really thought we were going to see like a lower level there, but in anything, that decline did end up being the opportunity to open up a long position. It was just a lot less of a decline than expected before that scalp to the upside. Do you think we could have an upside? You mean more movement to the upside, like a higher price level to Breeze? Is that what you mean? Than what we have here? I think probably I think we probably open lower in like a trough, and then there's a really big move to the upside out of the open, taking us into a midday high. I don't necessarily think it's going to be like there's probably a good move here over the weekend because it's the Princess of Disc combined with the Death card, so we'll probably have like a trough. I would probably just count on like the clearest perspective is on the overall like the multi-day kind of scale where we're going from this trough we had first thing, it turned out to be first thing in the morning today, offers opportunity to open up a long position and then close that long position there on the 6th or the 7th, probably the 7th. You might be able to pick up some. I'd probably bet on like being able to close a short position if I open up a short position at these levels. I think you could probably count on being able to close that short position here in this Fool card. Huh. Right, so you could open a long position here at an important price level where we poke through it momentarily at near a trough, and then close a long position at a peak or crest that we have midday, where we break through resistance, we stay above it briefly, and then we break back down through that same price level with the full retracement of the move higher. Now we utilize that as an exit to get out of the long position for a day trade. You could also then open up a short position at that same junction when you break through resistance, stay above it briefly, and break back down. Open up a short position there, and then close that short position probably either at the end of the day or the following day. Hey April, I have SQQ and want to know best time I need to get out. I'm already at a loss. Are you looking to get out today? What do you get out at? Like what time frame do you mean, April? Is that the short? That's the short QQ, right? The short version of the QQQ. So like it's like the inverse. Let me just double check. Yeah, Ultra Pro short. At this point, it looks like you probably want to you probably want to close out of the short position here around 10 to 11, most likely 10 to 11 here, but it's risky. You might want to just take the loss. You might have an opportunity here, April, here at 10 to 11 on Monday, somewhere around there, but it's not the most crystal clear opportunity. I've seen clearer, like more concise ones. So like if it's like you might be better off just taking the loss and then starting fresh on Monday with one of these trades where you open up a long position, close the long position midday, open up the short position midday, close the short position at the end of the day. You might be able to make your money back. Or if you want to risk it, you can hold the short position until this full card move to the downside on Monday. That's probably what I would do. Will Tesla fall to $210 on Monday or before the rally? That's a no. I got a definitive no for that, Conrad. Yeah, and that's an affirmative to Braze. I think we probably open lower from where we closed today, but overall there'll be a higher price level on Monday, which is why I say it could be a little risky, April, to hold the short position until Monday, because I do see higher price levels on Monday, but there might be an opportunity relative to where we are price wise right now. There's probably a slightly lower price level to get out on Monday. Hey AV. So the full card move is here between 10 and 11. Right here. Are you still seeing the monthly? You guys are seeing the daily, right? Oh my God, what happened? Why is it doing that? What the heck? All right, I'm going to have to log out and log back in, guys. If I missed your question, just re-ask the question, because when I log back on to this next stream, those questions are going to disappear, but I have to re-log because there's some